correlating Lean Six Sigma with AI and automation. You see, that is a subject no one is talking. Lean Six Sigma, in the context of AI and automation, actually is the most intelligent form of investment. Because AI investments are very expensive, I think that is the game changer.
Jacob, we have so many MSME companies. MSME companies still ignoring the Lean Six Sigma, though it's one of the ancient sciences which was developed back in the 1980s, wherein Toyota brought that in. But why is that still not adapted in these MSMEs and they still live with that inefficiencies?
I would say, great question. Uh, it's not just medium and small enterprises. I would say even large corporations uh, do not really implement Lean Six Sigma. There are a few reasons for that. One, I would say, is the connection between Lean Six Sigma in a service industry. Lean Six Sigma was always associated, like you said, from a manufacturing side. But there is a gap in understanding that Lean Six Sigma in a service industry can be extremely profitable. Now, there are a lot of companies in the service industry who implemented Lean Six Sigma and have benefited from it. But there is a fundamental paradigm challenge that Lean Six Sigma is for manufacturing. Now, the second reason is correlating Lean Six Sigma with AI and automation. You see, that is a subject no one is talking.
Right.
No one is able to correlate that actually Lean Six Sigma as a methodology can be used in identifying AI and automation. So it's a knowledge gap, which is what we are trying to bring to the table to enterprises, saying that Lean Six Sigma is not for manufacturing alone. Service industries have actually implemented and benefited. But we are going one step further to say that you can actually leverage Lean Six Sigma in identifying AI and automation projects which will deliver profitability to organization. So to me, I believe that it's a lack of awareness. It's a lack of correlation of Lean Six Sigma and AI and automation. And also there is that challenge or that fear of what is it going to cost? That is a big blocker for companies to really embrace Lean Six Sigma because it seems to come from a consulting perspective. It seems to be coming from a big dollar perspective. But we have seen that Lean Six Sigma in the context of AI and automation actually is the most intelligent form of investment because AI investments are very expensive. Lean Six Sigma actually is able to help, like we discussed before the investment. So to answer your question, I would say that it's the correlation gap, it's the awareness gap that, whoa, Lean Six Sigma can actually help me identify automation opportunities before investing. I would say those would be the reasons.
So it is safe to also say that it is a perception, because most of them still think that it's just a jargon or it's just a fancy certificate, and instead of using it as a productivity tool, they are thinking it's a cost.
Exactly. No, you're right. It's a knowledge gap and a perception issue.
So you say the wedding of AI and Lean Six Sigma works the best.
Oh yes, I think that is the game changer.
And this is not just for the companies, like Jacob mentioned, not just for the small and medium-sized companies. And some of the companies which are very profitable, I think they are ignoring all the inefficiencies what they have because they're still making those bucks. But that won't sustain for long, because some point of time, probably they'll have to face those inefficiencies, and they'll have to look at ways to improvise that.